walking down the street, pretty woman, the kind I like to meet, pretty woman. I don't believe you're not the truth. No one could look as good as you. Mercy. Pretty woman, won't you pardon me? Pretty woman, I couldn't help but see, pretty woman, that you look lovely as can be. Are you lonely just like me? Pretty woman, stop a while. Pretty woman, stop a while. Pretty woman, share your smile with me. Pretty woman, yeah, yeah, yeah. Pretty woman, look my way. Pretty woman, say you'll stay with me. 'Cause I need you and I'll treat you right. Stay with me, baby. Be mine tonight. Oh, pretty woman, don't walk on by. Pretty woman, don't make me cry. Pretty woman, don't walk away. Okay, if that's the way it must be, okay, I guess I'll go on home. It's late, maybe tomorrow night. But wait, what do I see? Yes, you're walking back to me. She's walking back to me. Oh, oh, pretty woman.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. That one goes back to 1964, I think.
That's the year I was born, Doug.
Yeah, right.
You never heard of Premature Gray? Come on. A lot of tuning going on up here. We must be playing outside.
The hazards of playing outside.
As the sun goes down.
But it's a necessity.
All right, here's some Tom Petty. She grew up in an Indiana town, had a good-looking mom who never was around, but she grew up tall and she grew up proud with the Indiana boys on the Indiana nights. Well, she moved down here at the age of 18 and blew the boys away. It was more than they'd seen. I was introduced and we both started grooving. She said, I dig you, baby, but I got to keep moving on. Keep moving on. Last dance with Mary Jane. One more time to kill the pain. I feel summer creeping in and I'm tired of this town again. been told you never slow down, you never grow old. Tired of screwing up, tired of going down, tired of myself, tired of this town. Oh my, oh hell yes. Honey, put on that party dress. Buy me a drink, sing me a song. Take me as I come, cause I can't stay long. Last dance with Mary Jane. One more time to kill the pain. I feel summer creeping in and I'm tired of this town again. Bridget's down on Market Square. She's standing in her underwear, looking down from a hotel room. And nightfall will be coming soon. Oh my, oh hell yes. You got to put on that party dress. I was too cold to cry when I woke up alone. I hit my last number, I walked to the road. Last dance with Mary Jane. One more time to kill the pain. I feel summer creeping in and I'm tired of this town again. One more time to kill the pain. I feel summer creeping in and I'm tired of this town again. Last dance with Mary Jane. One more time to kill the pain. I feel summer creeping in and I'm tired of this town again.
Thank you, Mary Jane's Last Dance. I don't know, I think summer's creeping out now instead of creeping in, but...
Gotta be picking on that, huh?
Funny.